Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's coming here. So in this video, we're talking about how to use targeted ads for e-commerce. So before we start the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Ready? You wanna create a winning product, winning marketing, a simple store around the niche. Make sure it's like a passionate niche, right? A great product and it's evergreen. People always gonna love it. It creates an emotional benefit and solves a problem. Um, mostly like a passion, emotional benefit, or whatnot. Both of them together are good. Get Namecheap, Shopify, DNS settings hooked up for the site. It loads fast. It looks simple. You put the description together from all sources, like reviews from AliExpress, the 5 stars, all that. Um, then you want to go find all the pictures, ads, put them together, create the video content, the ad copy. Well, that's where you gotta get creative. Um, I recommend books by David Ogilvy, Breakthrough Advertising, learn copywriting and all that. It helps. Basically, it's selling through text. That's what we're doing with these advertisements for promoting these products. I mean, there's image, there's video too, but you have to have some text too. All right, so then you go, you think about it. All right, in this niche, what are some magazines about this? What are some celebrities about this? Right? What are some competitor brands about this? So then when you FB ads, it tells you suggested targeting you aiming to, and then you type that in, and then you click suggested, show you another list below it, and that creates more and more targeting for you. And then you want to split test all of them, basically like, all right, which one's getting you the purchase with the highest ROAS, the lowest cost per clicks. Everything that's high cost per clicks, you're cutting on. With no purchases, especially, you're cutting on. Everything that's getting you purchases for the lowest cost per clicks, the lowest. It's basically ROAS, return on ad spend. So it's giving you great quality purchases for the lowest amount spent, like a higher ROAS. But you could start with a 2010 ROAS, and as you scale, it's part of it because you're testing more and growing more. It could go to like a hand. It's part of it. It's part of it. But hey, it's more. It's a multiple. It's an X at the end. So if it's a hand and an X at the end, who doesn't want to do that? And you're building business credit throughout this whole process. Who doesn't want to do that? Man, Amexes, and you just paying them, and it's like, come on, that's great. All right, boom. Yeah, and I recommend trendlinezoom.net and DFU Media. That's crazy. It's like 160 around there. And less than 870 and it's fire. Basically, you get like a 10K credit card and a business manager unlimited. And then you're cutting your losers, you're keeping your winners, and you're duplicating winners. And you could start with a 2010 ROAS, X ROAS. And then, boom, you pay through Stripe. You want to put the setting on France. Boom, and then you paying off that credit card. And then you're repeating it every month. You get the net. Yo, that's lit, bro. Nah, that's lit. Yeah, yo. So yeah, I offer coaching. You can check the link below. I can help you grow your e-commerce business or credit e-com, crypto business. Anything to like assess like your situation, what you're trying to do, I go over it with you. I give you some advice and all that. Check that out. It's limited time offer, and it's only my program. I want you guys to leave a like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all found this useful. Peace.